That's why even today we have confusion. People don't know who's Christ, who's Jesus. When he introduced himself to me, he said, I'm the Christ, Son of the living God. People basahamba naleya leya secretion yabona uJesu igama lakhe uChrist isibongo sakhe and umepulpit ushumela into Isaiah 9, unto us a child, Jesus, is born. Unto us a son is given, Christ. You see, Jesus can be born, but Christ cannot be born. Because Christ is John 1 verse 1. In the beginning there was the way. It cannot be born. In the beginning there was the way, and the word was with God. Hebrews 10 verse 4. Father, prepare for me a body. Christ asking God, so you must understand why you